Hola, señora Vaz, with instructions for today's activity. Today is the day 2. The first activity is your warm-up, and it's going to be every day. Remember, we talked about that last class, and you're going to get a stamp. You have the first 5 minutes to complete this activity. Your activity, we were talking about rules. Your warm-up is always going to be related to the prior class. So you are going to we talk about expectations and the rules for the classroom. So what I want you to do is to write on a piece of paper 2 rules or expectations or procedures that you remember we talked about last class. So I need you to write 2 of them, number 1, number 2, and then I'm going to be giving you a stamp for today. Remember, every stamp is 10 points. And we need to keep it in that paper that I gave you last class. You're going to have your instructional video in the class plan, and here is your activity for the day. So for your activity for the day, you're going to this site. I put the information, the login information here. I want you to put it in and save it so you have it there for every time that we have activities in this site. So we're going to do 2 activities there. One is the practice and the other one is the quiz. So we're going to do the practice first, and you're going to submit here. I'm going to explain you how to do it. Then you're going to play on this Quizlet. You're going to practice your colors in that Quizlet. You're going to play a game. I'm going to show you in a minute. And then you can go back to take the quiz. And you're going to take a screenshot of the quiz and submit it right here. Now I'm going to proceed to show you how to do it. First thing, you're going to go to SpanishSpanish.com, and the step-by-step is right there in the class plan. You're going to click right here where it says, no, that's not what you're clicking. You're going to click right here where it says colors, and it says introduction. You click on introduction. It's going to ask you for the password and the username, and here's the username and here's the password. You have the introduction. You're going to listen to the colors. You can listen, you can practice how to say them. Please use your earbuds or headphones that you have so you don't interrupt other students.
Gris.
You can go faster, you need. It's going to go faster.
Negro. Rosado.
Okay.
Verde.
Once you have listened, you have practiced the colors, you are going to the spelling. So for the spelling, it says the list of vocabulary. If you open this, it's going to give you the colors.
Anaranjado.
And they pronounce them too. Also in this spelling is where you have your practice. So this is the practice that you need to do. You are required to do. You do the practice. It's asking you de qué color es, and you're going to answer de qué color es. You put the answer right here and then click next. It tells you it's right, and now it's giving you the next one. And when you finish, this is what you have at the end. You answer 10 questions correctly, and it gives you the results. What I want you to do is to make a screenshot of this. And then this screenshot, you're going to the class plan. You go and click, it says when finished, take a screenshot of your grade and submit it here. So you click here. And here's going to be a button that says to submit your assignment. And it's actually a file upload. I'm going to change that now. It's a file upload. So what you're going to do, you click your submission button right here, a green button that you have up here, and then you're going to upload your file. I'll be around to help you with this so you get more familiar with this if you don't know how to do it. And then we have one more thing that we need to do that is in our plan. And it says the memory game. So right here, there is a memory game. It's this is not the memory game, but this one you can play too. So this is like a floating game. It's kind of fun. You just need to pick the color
amarillo,
that you want them to
anaranjado,
change until you finish floating this. I'll show you that during class if you want, if you cannot figure out what it is. But you see how
verde,
these colors are changing, so you need to just
morado,
make it in the way that they are going to be
rojo,
floating the whole thing. Okay, so you can play that game, and then you can also play, excuse me, you can also play this Quizlet. So in this Quizlet, you click here. You can practice your colors here. It has the pronunciation, and then you can play. So start game. You just need to match the color until everything is disappear. And it gives you time. Okay, we got that. After you practice, you play your game and all that, you go back and find the quiz. The quiz is right here where it says multiple choice. You click on multiple choice, and it's very simple. You put your name here, and then your class, and then you click start.
Rosa.
It gives you a name. You have to click.
Morado.
And once again, when you finish, you just click on the colors that they are telling you. And once you finish, once again, you have a score. Same thing, you're going to make a screenshot, take a screenshot of this, and this one is going to be submitted right here. So in this class plan, it's going to be the green button here for you to submit, and then you're going to put it right here. File upload, submit, and you have your work for today. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be around supervising your work. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you during class. Adios.